Education funding is important, and it's important for you to understand what it is that we've negotiated for and what's outstanding in our discussions with Canada on education funding. Under the Anishinaabe Nation Education Agreement, we negotiated for funding for education programs and services from junior kindergarten to grade 12. We also negotiated for funding to run the Anishinaabe education system, and we also included post-secondary education funding in the agreement. And those are the main areas that are included. What isn't included is major capital, and that's the funding to build new schools, the funding to replace existing schools, or major additions to those existing schools on reserve. Just because major capital is not included in this agreement doesn't mean that First Nations lose access to major capital. First Nations will still have the opportunity to apply for and receive education major capital funding. We are also continuing our discussions with Canada to make sure that Anishinaabe First Nations have that funding that they need to build schools, replace existing schools, or add-ons to the existing schools. So those discussions haven't ended. They're still underway. We haven't completed them.